Hey everyone, welcome back for this new hotel at Universal Studios Orlando. Before we begin, we ask you to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. This will help this video to reach out more viewers like you. Also, if you are new here or like our content, we consider you to subscribe and ring that notification for more content like this. Thank you. Now, they released new information of the Helios Hotel, a Lowe's hotel. It's I believe a separate company. I'm unfamiliar of Lowe's hotels. And this is going to be at the back of the park. It's going to be connected to the park, and it will have a gate for the hotel to the park, its own gate. And I was watching a video about the okay, they don't have it. There'll be 14. They say 14 how to train your dragon kids suites. There'll be 14. And there will be a grab and go place, like or something, and then grab it, and something like, and then you go to the park. And they want to make it look connected to the look like the whole park with like gold. There's like gold, and the rooftop, it's not roof, sorry, up there there'll be like a bar or like a restaurant, and you'll see the view of Epic Universe. And there'll be transportation to and from the other Universal parks, for like Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios Florida. And yeah, very, very fun. Oh, there it is. That's what I was talking about. The How to Train Your Dragon suites for kids. Yeah, this is going to be great for Universal, and I hope habit. I hope I could go there. Share this video to someone who needs to know about this, and thank you for watching.